we go. Yeah. I've done standby. Look at this sign. I mean,
that's what I need.
Right? That's so great. Very rarely do I ride Splash Mountain without a fast pass. Oh my God, I'm in love.
Wow, this is much better.
Right? Can we just go slow?
Yeah, absolutely. Sure. Yeah.
Can we go slow? Can we just kind of casually walk through the 100-acre wood?
The wind.
Zip the dude right on through here.
Now, do you figure that this was carved by a local, like somebody was just hanging out? You know, it's
very well
because it's not like. It's not an official like statue looking thing. It's just somebody came in here and said, you know what, I'm gonna put a bear in this tree.
Is it real wood?
I don't think so.
Don't ruin that, Remy.
Yeah, real wood.
That's real wood.
Nailed it. It's oak.
Not ruining anything.
It's cedar. I have no idea what it is. Look at this. Ooh, look at right here. We're gonna see a canoe go by. Well, what do they call these? Not a canoe. A log? It's a log.
A flume.
A flume.
Holy cow.
They have no idea.
Perspective.
Right?
It's something I have never seen because I'm always in fastbacks.
Exactly. Exactly. It's the Indiana Jones factor.
Wow.
Sometimes if you get the fast pass, you miss this.
It's almost the same as when you're up on the log up above and you see that glimpse of the log passing by.
Yeah.
It's the same. You see the people passing by right in front of here. That's so much more immersive than
if you're wasting a fast pass on this.
Well, I get it why you would. On a hot day when it's 60 minutes, an hour and a half, you know, I don't want to wait in this queue for 90 minutes. I get it. But today we don't have to do that, and it's not cold, so you know we're not suffering. One of my favorite things in any attraction is to be able to be this close to the actual ride in operation. Yeah. Like have it just to give a high look at. Yeah. Watching people be in the moment, being able to like witness that. This is why I think this is one of the happiest rides in the park.
Plus, if you do not, how do you beat that?
Right. There are no sad faces coming out of this attraction.
The happy place, right?
Right, yeah. Man, that thing came down fast.
Oh no, the laughing place.
Well, whatever. I get you. Don't ever sleep on. Don't ever sleep on taking your time through this queue. Sorry, Remy. And enjoying those little features. There's another one coming up actually as we go down this lovely little trail. Take the fact that we just spent 15 minutes talking about a little point in a queue as to how good this queue is. Thank you again to Tony Baxter right here. This is just the launch though, but it's another place where you can see the guests go by. They're getting ready to enjoy their adventure. Some have an idea what they're getting into. She's prepared. She's covered up. She's prepared to get splashed on. You're gonna get wet. I would love it if a train went by right now. Well, this ain't Christmas.
Oh, I love this song.
Yeah. Where else are you going to get a view like this also? Even if it's just for a minute. Look at all the time and effort they went through for a view, for a vista, for a scene that we're going to experience for maybe 30 seconds. Right? We're going to see this for about 30, maybe 60 seconds. But it's here for us. They put a little cart here. They put some beautiful I do this every time. Why can't I remember? No, the landscaping.
Oh.
Look at this. This is a neat little birdhouse looking thing. So that you can get your photo.
legs inside the log and be sure to wash your cans. Have a zippity-doo-dah ride.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del barco y cuide a los pequeñitos.
There goes Ron. Ron's hands free all the time. That's fun. Oh, right there. Yeah.
Your chance to get on the show.
Hey, what's up? Hey, I'm on the show.
Get on the show.
Sweet. Tell my mom.
Remy, here's your chance to get on the show. Oh no.
You're on selfie mode.
There we go. Wait, now what do I do? Remy, David, Patrick, okay, first drop, don't get wet.
Drop
Backsplash.
No, it's the second dark drop.
Yeah.
That
That's the one.
We have a lot of gentlemen. Please remain seated. Your turn will continue momentarily. Folks, this is the captain of the log jump ahead. Please remain seated. Your journey through special should continue momentarily.
This very day.
Laughing place. Maybe this one is yours.
No, I said not a drop.
Oh,
Wet. I'm pretty much dry.
I hate you.
We're good. Back row, 5 and 6.
My left foot, pretty much dry. My right foot, might as well be in.
Ah, I'm good. Seat 6 all day.
Okay, but then this part too.
Because Remy was filming me.
Alright.
I tried to do the thing that was least blocky faces and I did it anyway.